Hey everybody, it's Cathy and welcome to my closet declutter. I'm finally getting around to filming my closet declutter, but I decided to do this video in two steps. I'm going to do today's video, which is a declutter, which we're going to take everything out of the closet except for anything hanging. And the goal is to get everything off of the floor and organize the towers that I have. And then in the next video, I'm going to go through every piece of clothing that I have in my closet. We're going to decide if we're keeping them or if we're going to donate them or sell them, whatever. But that's going to be a separate video because I do not have the energy to go through that today. I'm gonna look a little different in the video because I actually filmed the declutter in January before my mom took sick and then passed away. So I haven't gotten around to editing my closet yet. So I'm waiting for a day where I feel real energetic and we'll go ahead and film that video and we'll get around to doing that. Before we get into the declutter, I just want to bring up a few closet items that I keep on hand and that are helpful. I have a little bottle of Downy Wrinkle Release. I recently began using this for videos whenever I needed to like get wrinkles, say out of silk shirts or things that I was showing, rather than, you know, pulling out my steamer. This works pretty good. It's not 100% perfect, but in a pinch it does work good and it's great for travel. Otherwise, I don't iron. I hate ironing. I received an iron as a wedding gift like 35 years ago and it went to the Salvation Army donation store. I like to steam instead. This is the steamer that I have. It works great. It's the same steamer that a lot of women's clothing stores use. If you're looking for something more affordable or handheld, I will link the one that my friend enjoys and it's quite economical. Another thing that I bought and I did use for the declutter were these boxes or clear totes off of Amazon. And I've stored my shoes in them. Before, you'll see my shoes were still all in the cardboard shoe boxes whenever you buy them. But I thought that if I would put them in these clear bins, it's easier, I guess, whenever I can sort of organize them by season or color, see what I have, and then make better use of them. Because what I find is if I just put something in my closet in its box, kind of forget that it's there, and I never use it. Or maybe sometimes, you know, I'll end up buying a duplicate. This isn't perfect, but I think it's okay, but I'll show you in a minute. I have to come up with something for my summer shoes that I can just leave them like where it's easily accessible in the closet. And I also wanted to show you these hangers. I have switched over to these velvet hangers. I buy them on Amazon. I just bought a new bunch of 50. They're great because your clothes don't slip on them. They come in different colors. I went with the nude. I also have black ones for my clothing rack whenever I do clothing try-ons. You'll see those. Love these. They don't damage your clothes. They come like this, but they also have ones with the bar where you can hang pants on them. And I'm also going to show you some jewelry organizers in a moment. I have one where I like to display a necklace because I always wanted my closet to look like a little boutique, and I find, I don't know, it just makes me happy. So I might go in my closet and see things on display. And then I also bought one for bracelets. It's just a little velour thing, very economical on Amazon. So anything that I talk about or show you, I will link below this video in the first pinned comment. And as I said, whenever I get some energy in the next month or so, we're gonna go through all of my clothes and we're actually going to look at each item and decide whether or not it's staying. I hope that you enjoy watching me declutter my very messy closet. Hi everybody, today we're doing something a little bit different. I thought I would take you along as I do a big closet clean out and organize it. So I share this closet with my husband. Actually, the day we moved into the house, we didn't have anywhere to hang our clothes, so the builder hastily put this closet together and it's a mess. I'm embarrassed to show it to you, but I'm keeping it real like I always do. I don't like it, so I just throw things in here and then walk away. So this has been on my to-do list for a while, and I'm just going to show you what it looks like once it's finished and along the process. So basically today the goal is to remove everything on the top shelf, everything on this middle tower, see what's in there, get everything off of the floor. Whenever I came home from my cruise, I just threw stuff there and somehow organize it so that I can see what I have, purge some things, and hopefully I can make better use of the space. So welcome to the bomb that went off in my room. That is all of the stuff that was on the top shelf and those two cubbies. So yeah, a lot of stuff. Even some stuff on the floor here. I found stuff that I hadn't even unpacked when we moved in. So we vacuumed, we wiped everything down. So the goal for today is to put stuff back in an organized manner on the cubbies and the upper shelf, and to have absolutely nothing on the floor ever again. Eventually, once I figure out how I want to use this space, I would like to redo the organizer in here, because to me it's just a lot of wasted space. And I know IKEA sells some closet organizers, so I'm gonna have to look and kind of figure out what it is I need. But because we share the closet, I also have to, you know, give my husband a little bit of space. Okay, so here is the finished result for today. I'll start with the top. So there are my shoes stored in the clear shoe boxes that I was telling you about at the beginning of the video. And those are some winter boots. And my two Coach leather bags. The first one is mine, the second one is my husband's. I've had those for probably 15 years. They're great for travel, especially on airplanes. And I kept my piggy bank from my childhood. Just, you know, for memories. This is my travel section, and the gray thing on the bottom, I just picked that up, I forget where, Winners, maybe Amazon. Came in a pack of 2. It's for under the bed storage, but that and the hat box on the left are full of travel gadgets like beach bags, scales, packing cubes, things that you need whenever you travel. So I wanted them somewhere handy, so they're a little organized that way. And then on the top is that J. Crew tote bag that I bought this year and absolutely love. And then some of my husband's shoes, like his dress shoes, and a new pair of sneakers for whenever his other ones run out. And then on the floor, I just keep that basket for our dirty clothes. So I haven't went through the clothing. That'll be in the next video. And then on the towers, that jewelry box is empty. It's from my childhood. I wanted to keep it as a reminder. And then beside it, that's that little travel jewelry box that I've shown, you know, in packing videos before. That needs to go up in the travel thing. I forgot to put it up there. And then on the second shelf, we'll start here. That's just a little clutch that I use whenever, you know, we go on cruises. I have this glasses organizer that I will put my sunglasses in. And that's a gift my daughter gave me years ago. You know, if you're traveling, you just want to put cards in it. This is just some Febreze. I'm not sure. Okay, it's for fabric. Didn't know that I had it. I thought that was the Downy Wrinkle to go, which I like. And then I always keep like a lint roller handy. On this shelf, I just have a pair of shoes that need to go up in a bin. And on the bottom, just a decorative box with a couple of sun hats. And then here we have some costume jewelry. I bought that thing off of Amazon just to display a necklace, because in our other house my closet was a little bigger, so I kind of like my closet to look like a little boutique so that I know what I have, because I like things out so I can see them, because otherwise I forget that I have them. So that's just a little bracelet organizer I bought on Amazon, and those are just like fake pearl and what do you call those, cubic zirconia bracelets for when we travel. And then this is just a pretty jewelry box that has nothing in it that I picked up to use, and I'll put some stuff in there. And then this is just a little ring holder. I'll show you these. These are fake. This is a replica of, why is it not focusing? Meghan Markle's engagement ring. And then this is a replica of Princess Diana's ring. Isn't that massive? Like, it's huge. I love it. I think I've worn it once on a cruise, but it's massive. And then down here I have my Michael Kors Hamilton bag, the little Jet Set bag, and then just a little fancier bag. And then on the bottom I have some travel purses and my jewelry cleaner. So in the next video we're going to go through all of these clothes, and I'm going to show you what's staying, what's going. I'll take you through the process. But for now, I didn't want anything on the floor, but it's a real hassle to have to keep, you know, reaching up there to get the sandals that I want to wear. So until I figure out something else, my summer shoes are just going to stay here on the floor. I'm not sure what I'm going to do, but I have to start looking at different organizers. And then I have my carry-on tucked away, ready to go. So if you enjoyed watching me declutter my closet and you haven't seen my summer style tips for apple body shaped women, I'll meet you over at that video. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.